bugs. Alright guys, welcome back. So today I got another piece, back-to-back car parts for this car. So there's one piece missing. If you guys haven't checked out my rear diffuser install, I just finally got it in. So I'm going to show you guys what it is. So here it is.
Super.
So there it is. These are the TwinZ rear spats, so these are wider. So there you have it. It's pretty much the rear spats for the diffuser. So if you guys didn't notice my install video on the side of the rear diffuser for the TwinZ version, so I'm going to show you guys real quick how it looks, and you guys tell me. So here it is. So if you guys didn't see right here, like right here, you see how the OEM one has this big gap on both sides. So that's pretty much what that rear spat does, is just fix this little gap, and it just fills in just a lot better. So this piece is pretty much really easy to take off. It's just pretty much 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and then one underneath right here. And then once you get those screws out, you can just pull it out and replace it with the TwinZ version. The only thing that we know that TwinZ recommends, you might have to trim the rear spats to flush it with this rear diffuser right here. So what I mean is like this piece right here, we might have to trim it out just so that way the holes can line up with the OEM holes. So we're gonna do that. First we want to test fit it and see if we do need to trim it. But if we do, then we'll show you how to trim it. So it's a little narrow spot. You can take off your wheels, you can jack it up, take it off your wheels and then put it on. Or you can buy one of the little mini stubby screwdriver that I have. So this goes on the side right here. And see how it fits perfectly between the wheels. And once you get those off, then you'll be able to remove this piece out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And bam, just like that, it's off. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the TwinZ version and just test it out really quick and see if it flush. Look at Chris. Handiwork. So is it hitting? Yeah.
It's sitting somewhere.
So I think it's the bottom. Let me check. Yeah. Alright, so we do definitely need to trim.
I'm not sure how much we're gonna have to trim though. Where's that hole at right there? Yeah, we're gonna have to trim a lot. I think we're gonna have to trim like this entire like thing over here.
Dang.
I think. Because the hole is right here.
Yeah.
And this is as far as I can go. Your holes are here now. It's like a good inch. Good inch, an inch and a half.
Alright, so we're gonna start trimming.
Yeah.
Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it little by little. And then slowly just put it on little by little until we actually reach where the hole is at. And then I think from up here we can just, I think that should align perfectly.
No, the top one aligns? No, not really.
Like once we get the hole down here.
Yeah, once we get the hole down there, yeah, all this will.
Yeah, that should align. So we just gotta worry about this one. So once we trim to the point where the hole lines up to the stock holes, I think we should be good. So we'll get started with that.
We'll get some masking tape.
And then we're gonna use this as reference for the other side, so that way we don't have to re-measure it again. Hopefully it'll be even. And then we're gonna use this grinder. Chris, what do you know about grinder?
Not much.
You sure?
Just a little bit.
Check this out. He went wingless. I wonder what's going on here. Damn. Got a headlight though. Woo. Ooh. It's gonna look perfect. This is our workbench bench.
It's gonna get louder now.
Let's fit it again. Oh, still a little short. So we still have a little gap. So that one looks like maybe a centimeter.
I think we might have to cut off another 1/2 inch.
Another 1/2 inch? That's an 1.25 inches. Quarter might work.
Or right now, right here lines up.
Right. This is the only piece that doesn't, because this is hitting against right here, against the diffuser, which is gonna be like, I would say, quarter. Maybe less than a quarter.
So right now, if we screw these on and the fender, this is how much this is sticking out over here. So it looks like we might have to cut off a lot.
Alright, so wait, another 1/2 inch?
I think we cut more on this end to try to bring this in.
Alright. So we'll say, so we're gonna cut it from here.
Yeah.
All the way down.
Yeah.
So that way they can get some more room. Sorry. Alright, let's do that. Alright, round 2. So pretty much we did 1/2 inch. It was maybe 1/2 inch short. So overall, I believe 1 inch total should be enough.
Well, we'll see after this.
Yeah, so right now we did another 1/2 inch. So the total right now is 1 inch.
Yeah.
So we're going to grind this. Final tests.
We gotta put it in.
Look how much we gotta cut. Look how much that pieces. All right. Moment of truth, round 2.
It's a lot better now.
Yeah. I think we'll screw it in. A little gap right here. You guys didn't see it, but I mean, it is what it is. So we'll screwing it in right now, just so that way we can see how it sits overall. What screws are in, and then I think if that fits well, we're gonna do the same thing for this side. We're just gonna measure how much we cut, and then I think that should be it. So we ran into a little snag. The stock 10mm bolts that's underneath the spats are a little bit too short, so it doesn't thread all the way with the aftermarket rear spats. So we have to get longer screws. But besides that, I think it lines up correctly. So we're gonna re-screw it in and see how that goes. Alright, it's already dark, but if you guys can see it, this is pretty much as good as it's gonna get. So, small little imperfection here, gap here, but I mean, we can't cut anymore. It's like a little gap on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. So, it is what it is. So I think overall, it's not too bad. It's not noticeable. Like if you look from here, it's not too bad, but it's little minor things. So we're gonna do this side right here. we're gonna do the exact same measurement on this side with that, and then I think that should be it. So it's getting dark. We're not gonna fully put it on the car to let you see how it looks, because I'm gonna take these things back off and I'm gonna have it repainted gloss black, so that way it matches my rear diffuser. So until then, I'll give you another good runaround. But right now, we're just gonna finish up on the other side, and I'll show you guys later.
Several days later.
All right, we are back. So last thing I left off was we're gonna have that rear spat painted. So it's finally painted. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like, and we're gonna install it real quick. And then I mentioned earlier that we also got a part for the STI that we just received. So we're gonna be installing that too. So it's gonna be a twofold part video. We're gonna show you the rear spats once it's on, and we're gonna put on the new part for the STI. So if you guys want to see what it is, let's go. So here it is. The rear spats are painted gloss black, so that pretty much matches the rear diffuser. So we're gonna put it on. Should be relatively quick. A little adjustment on this side, but then once we put it on, it should be done. All right, update. We just screwed it in harder, drill the hole, make it bigger, so that way you can have play in the screws. So it's fit on a little bit better, but there's still a little gap, and I think that's probably your best bet. I'm gonna get on this, but overall it's not terrible. But so there's that, and we're just finalizing the screws up here. No, I think we'll be done with this side. All right, we just got done putting on the rear spats for both sides. Little tip: make sure you go to Ace Hardware or any kind of place that sells aftermarket bolts. You're gonna use a little bit longer nut than what the OEM uses. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and then after that, we're gonna put on his Varis kit wing, or the Varis wing, so we can see how it looks on his car. All right, here it goes. What you guys think? Let's go on this side. Here's the other side. This is what he got. Look at this. It's the Varis GT wing.
1600 millimeter long.
1600 millimeter.
If you buy, there's two different sizes. There's a 1460 millimeter for the regular body, and then there's a wide body version of 1600.
So you got the wide body, right?
Yeah.
This is the wide body version. So it comes with the base plates, and then just pretty much just screw onto your trunk right here, and then you have these mounting points. That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're putting on that.
Right.
Look at that. Woohoo! Damn. Damn.
I was trying to process what you said.
Just to smash this. So we're gonna put it over here.
Seriously. This ain't DMX's casket.
Look at that. So he got the bolts on already.
Oh.
Put it on. Here it comes.
Your head on all of us.
Mounting.
You should go on inside.
Inside. There you go.
Yeah, it should be inside. Force it. This one.
Send it.
Do the screws go?
Damn.
The head on the outside.
Is there a tilting option?
Yeah, it's adjustable.
Oh damn. There's one piece. So a little thing that you might need if you get the Varis GT wing is that you're going to have to use a what is it, the rib nut?
Yeah, it comes with the instructions say if you have a trunk with a factory STI wing, you're gonna have to put rib nuts that they supply to you on over here and over here. And the reason why you use it is because you can't get access from the underside to get a nut through, so you gotta use the rib nut.
So there you go.
But then these two locations are just.
So that's where the retaining clips are at, right?
Yeah,
those holes.
Yeah, for the factory wing, the retaining clips here. I think one right here, and then
okay. Here. So there you go. Make sure you get some rib nuts. Because it doesn't go through the trunk. Screw that in. But washer.
I got one.
So, alright, let's see how it looks without these guys cock blocking it.
Wow. What?
Damn. See, this looks so much more aggressive and it flows better with the kit than your stock STI wing under.
Yeah, of course.
Look at that.
In all reality, it's done.
Look at
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Damn.
The wing just falls off this.
So you adjust it right here, these two bolts.
Yeah.
So
there's 4 adjustments when you come on this side. Depending on how aggressive you want it.
okay.
I got it pretty neutral.
See it? There's four little holes. So depending on how you want to set the wing, you can put it on these. But this is just how we put it on right now. You can make it more aggressive, but what you guys think?
The body line or the roof line.
Damn.
It's pretty straight.
Look at that.
You got yardstick.
Alright, so that's pretty much going to be the video. So I hope you gupe enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the rear spat install. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me because I'm pretty sure you guys will have questions. Like I said, you have to trim the side for you to fit if you have the rear TwinZ diffuser. I don't think you do need it if you have pretty much nothing. But I think that pretty much flows with the TwinZ diffuser. So I think the STI is pretty much done. All the whole Varis kit is complete. So tell me what you guys think. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think of the cars. Until then, peace.